Welcome to my YouTube channel Gamars. Today, we get review about leather repair gel. The leather repair gel has proven to be a transformative solution for reviving worn-out leather surfaces, turning back the clock on furniture, car interiors, and accessories. As someone who appreciates the timeless elegance of leather but faces the inevitable wear and tear over time, this repair gel has become an essential tool in my arsenal for maintaining the beauty of leather goods. One of the standout features of the leather repair gel is its versatility. Designed to address a spectrum of leather imperfections, including scratches, cracks, and faded areas, this gel acts as a comprehensive solution for various leather types. Whether you're dealing with a beloved leather couch, car seats, or a favorite handbag, the repair gel offers a one-size-fits-all remedy to restore the material to its former glory. Application is a straightforward process that requires minimal effort and expertise. The gel typically comes with an applicator or sponge, allowing users to precisely target the affected areas. The consistency of the gel is designed to adhere to the leather surface without dripping or running, ensuring a mess-free application. This user-friendly approach makes the leather repair gel accessible to both DIY enthusiasts and those with limited experience in leather restoration. The transformative results of the leather repair gel are visible within a short span of time. The gel effectively conceals scratches, fills in cracks, and rejuvenates the color of faded leather. The repair is not merely superficial, it penetrates the leather fibers, resulting in a durable and long-lasting restoration. This ensures that the repaired areas maintain their resilience and appearance even with regular use. Durability is a key consideration, and the leather repair gel excels in providing a robust solution. Once applied and dried, the repaired leather exhibits resistance to everyday wear and tear. The gel's ability to withstand friction, sunlight, and other environmental factors ensures that the restored leather maintains its integrity over an extended period. Color options available for the leather repair gel cater to a diverse range of leather hues, allowing users to find a close match to their specific needs. This wide range of colors ensures that the repair seamlessly blends with the original leather, achieving a cohesive and natural appearance. The color matching capability contributes to the overall aesthetic success of the repair, preventing any noticeable contrast between the restored and untouched areas. While the leather repair gel is a highly effective solution for many leather woes, it's essential to manage expectations regarding its performance on extremely damaged or heavily worn leather. In some cases, professional intervention may be required for extensive repairs. In conclusion, the leather repair gel emerges as a savior for leather enthusiasts seeking an efficient and cost-effective solution to restore their cherished items. Its versatility, ease of use, transformative results, and durability make it a standout product in the realm of leather care. Breathe new life into your leather possessions with the leather repair gel, a reliable and accessible remedy for preserving the timeless allure of leather.